So, what is FOCUS50 aiming to solve? I open up my browser, and then I see this. There's Facebook, there's chess.com, there's Discord, there's Reddit, and there's even YouTube, which, takes up a lot of time. And then there's these articles from Microsoft Edge, which is really annoying. It's very distracting. So I just figured, hey, what if I don't have to open up my browser and be bombarded with all these distractions? What if I could just launch whatever lecture I'm trying to see from the command line? So that's what I did. It's really easy to use. You just type in Python project.py, hit enter, and then you get these options. So as you can see, there's weeks from 0 to 10, as CS50X has, or you could type in stat. Let's come back to stat later, but let's type in 0 because I'm going to be starting CS50X from week 0. Week 0, there's a lecture and a p-set. P-set obviously standing for problem set. Okay, let's choose lecture. Bam. You just open up week 0 lecture instantly. You don't have to get distracted. It's pretty simple. So that's all cool, but what if you're doing, let's say, labs from week 5? Well, you don't have to sweat it. I got you covered there too. Just type Python project.py, and then you say labs from week 5. Bam. And it opens labs. So basically you type in the mode you want to go to and then the week you want to go to in this order. That's the command line arguments work in my program. All right, that's cool. Well, what if you want to do something in week 5 but you're not sure what's in week 5, As we saw earlier, there's only a lecture and a problem set in week 0, but we don't know what's in week 5. Well, in that case, you could just type in the week number and check it. So there's a lecture, section, practice problems, labs, and a problem set in week 5. Well, let's just pick sections for this time. Boom. We got sections. One more thing that's pretty cool about it is, okay, let's go to time.csv. As you can see, every entry, every time you open a lesson problem, every time you open anything, it's going to be saved in this CSV file as records. So you could see when you did what. That's pretty cool, but it also sorts the time into this file. So you can see every entry sorted on the week number. This is just a cool, organized way to see everything. But there's also more. This is the last feature, and I'm pretty excited about this. If you type Python of project.py and then you type in stat, boom, you're going to see when you started each week. So we started week 0 at September 28th, 11:47, 11:48, 11:49, and that's week 1, week 5. I mean, obviously, I'm just showcasing this, so I just did all of these right now. But if you were to do everything in order and try to use FOCUS50 whenever you're actually starting a lesson, then this will be pretty helpful because the time it took you to finish week 0 would be the difference between this time and this time. The difference between week 1 and week 0 would be the time it took you to finish week 0. It's kind of how it is. I probably could have done the math there, but I was too lazy. The date time library is too much. I don't want to figure that out right now. But this has been FOCUS50. My name is Tugulte Gaerten, and this has been FOCUS50. I'm from Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. They told me I needed to include that in this video, but you can call me the Juice. Right now, I'm just rambling. I probably should end this video. Thank you very much. CS50 Python has been very fun and very valuable. I've learned a lot, and I will keep on learning through CS50. If you're an employer from a tech company or a startup, please consider hiring me. I'm not doing this for nothing. I'm doing this to make money. Thank you.